Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to add elements on our website. So guys, first of all you have to go on the left side of the screen. Here you will see this button, add elements. You have to click on it and then the pop-up will appear on the screen. Here you will see elements. You can add text, image, buttons, strips and many more. For now I am going to add button on my website. So here you can see button types: themed button, text and icon buttons, image buttons, document buttons and many more. But for now I'm going to add themed button and I'm going to click on this button. Now I am going to drag and drop this button here. So guys, you can change the text and you can animate this button, and you can use these features as well. So guys, as you can see, our element has been added in our website. So guys, this is how to add elements on Wix.com. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.